Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and check Target Circle offers? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, all I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and simply go ahead and search for target.com or Target itself, and it's going to pop up right over here. Go ahead and click on the first link over here, and all you need to do is go ahead and click on Target Circle 360 up top right over here, or you could also go ahead and check on Target Circle right over here. Once you go ahead and click on that, as you can see, there are going to be your offers that is going to be mentioned right over here. However, if you don't see the products that you can go ahead and purchase with your Target Circle, you can simply click on deals and click on deals again, and it's going to take you to this page right over here. This is where you can simply go ahead and look for Target Circle deals right over here. So you can simply go ahead and check for Halloween stuff right over here. There's a lot of things over here. As you can see on BOGO, there's 20% off on Target Circle and many more. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.